Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. So firstly we should check if you have the last software version, open the application and now scroll down. Go to device settings and then go to the system at the middle top. Scroll down again and right here we have update software. Click on this settings icon here and to update status. And it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also what we can do is to place your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update. So after 15 seconds, just open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case and check if it help you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.